Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Audi A1 S Line. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 123 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 55 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 21 and this is a two-owner vehicle, having covered just over 49,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic Atlantic blue, and you've also got the Floret silver roof there, which the two combined I think look really smart. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. Being the S Line, you've got the sports seats there with the outer edge being leather, and these are really comfy and supportive. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your DAB radio and Bluetooth. And this particular car also has the satellite navigation. A few other features like I mentioned, the car has air conditioning as well as cruise control, automatic headlights and wipers, and then on the driver's door card there you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. For a small hatchback, it's surprising how much legroom and headroom there is in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And as we open the tailgate, you've got again a good size boot there for a small hatchback with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. On the Audi you also have the adjustable floor there, which is actually its lowest point at the moment, and below that you've also got a spare wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.